This black sesame chicken is absolutely delicious. Once it's done, the rich black color and deep nutty flavor will completely blow your mind. Marinate the chicken with salt, pepper, turmeric powder, and mustard oil. Let it rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now slice the onion and chop the coriander leaves. In a pan, roast the black sesame seeds and grind it really well until turn smooth fine powder. Heat oil in a pot. Add bay leaves, dry red chilli, black cardamom, cloves and crushed coriander seeds. Let them sizzle for 30 seconds to bring it out the aroma. Add ginger garlic, let it cook for a minute. Then add sliced onion with bit of sugar. Let it cook for until turn golden brown. Add all the dry spices along with salt and little water to cook the spices. Cook it until oil gets separated. Now add the marinated chicken and mix it well with the spices. Now add black sesame powder and mix it well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until you see the oil starting to release from the side. Now add hot water, cover and cook until chicken is fully cooked. Switch off the flame, add 3-4 green chilli and let it cover for at least 5 to 7 minutes before serving. Enjoy.